Pastor Chris Okoti, been a Reverend Chris Okoti, don't come outside, they talk another one about TB Joshua. This man don't die, still they don't go let this man rest in peace. Now this man don't come outside, they talk, say TB Joshua, say him be magician, say him be sorcerer. For those of now where this English hard for him means say TB Joshua na wizard. Say this man just they claim to they carry Bible up and down. Say this man no be real man of God. Oh. Say even when this man they alive, if you not reason him, he know to like this TB Joshua. Say he no like the man matter at all. So what make can even like him because say this man they carry himself like saying be Jesus. So why be say this man go they act like saying be Jesus? I know say some people go they vex. After they talk this one, they go listen to me, they add pepper. My people beg. Make na use na eye. See for yourself.
God took that name because he believes that he is another Jesus. He believes that God sent him to our world to bring reconciliation between God and mankind, exactly the same way the Lord Jesus was sent. And so Joshua claimed that he is that one that the Lord has appointed in this generation to bring reconciliation to or between God and man. And he's not the first to propose such a ludicrous concept. Because even Jesu Onyibo did the same thing. He calls himself Emmanuel. And we have the same thing with the entity in Calabar who used to call himself I Am. So Joshua believed that he is another Jesus. That's why he took the name Joshua, because that's the name that Jesus bore when he was right here on earth. The full name is Jehoshua, which means Jehovah is salvation. The name Joshua and the name Jesus are exactly the same. The word Joshua is taken from the Hebrew as Yeshua into the Greek in transliteration. It becomes Jesus. And then from the Greek into the Latin, it becomes Isus. And then into the English, it becomes Jesus. See, and the reason why he took that name is because he's the Old Testament Jehovah Elohim. He came from eternity into time by the process of incarnation. And therefore, all those Jehovah names and manifestations were telescoped into one name, Yeshua or Joshua, which means Jehovah is salvation. That is the name that Joshua claims. And he took that name to show his equality with the Lord Jesus. Because if he took any other name, then it would appear that he was subservient to Christ. That is why he bore the name Joshua, so that he would testify to this generation that he is another Jesus.
In fact, I don't know as I want to end this matter for this man. Because if I say this Pastor Chris, I'm not going to he carry this TB Joshua matter for her too much. So what make TB Joshua they behave like that now? Because him they feel say he won't bring reconciliation to the world. See, and from day one, he never even believe in this TB Joshua at all. Say, he know they even trust the man matter. Say, because he know say this man a false prophet. He knows everything where this man they do, he just they fake everything. Say, this man na magic in the perform for that stage. Say, everything where they do, we say, person go faint, this one. Say, everything na magical. Say, if saying be true man, he no go they call himself a prophet. Say, he go they call himself apostle, teacher, and some other name. Hey! Now you won't come give pastor in your name again. But say the only reason we make TB Joshua the trainer because of say waiting, in they do good to people, saying they help people. I beg, why this man no come sit down? Focus on that part where be saying they do good. Because if na reason don't be bad thing to do good. Though. So if this man don't stand up, say he want they do, I beg, what be the fault for there again? Why be say person no go allow this man just make him body just even go. The man don't even still in death, now still they fight the death. Now so Nabi, and you where they complain say this man, you unko. Only God I know who be true prophet and who be true man of God. Even you where they talk now, you don't know what person they talk for your back. Because you yourself now lover boy musician now you be. Before you come outside say God don't come call you. And nobody talk about your matter. Why be say TB Joshua own you can't carry and they carry her for head like say you and him na be family. I be the man come meet you for inside in dream say do this for me. I be tell people say na like this happy. If this man feels say, okay, yes, he won't be like Jesus. Make Jesus fight for himself. No be you go come outside now when they talk all this kind one. And the person where they talk, no be say the person even there to give you reply. You just they talk to I don't know, but I just want train itself. So I beg I don't know as I go take beg you. Pastor Chris, just go rest. You're talking don't they too much. People don't tire for her. Not only you now go talk saying people just do this one, he do down. And as they talk when the man even there, you know they answer you. So now when done that, I beg let the man so rest in peace. Make him rest. You say face your congregation, face your pastor work. Make you come on mouth for person matter. This one way I don't tire for your matter. People they complain say you don't overdo am. Say make you go sit down for one place. Calm down. They don't tire for your own. My people beg, what you say fear about this Pastor Chris matter? He tire on a be never tire. What in that feel? Make na write am inside the comment section. Make na no come forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video.